In the fast-paced world of enterprise software, having access to accurate and timely information is essential. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Punditas AI is here to support you every step of the way. In this video you will learn how to access help articles in Punditas AI's tips and tricks. The Tips and Tricks module is your go-to resource for helpful insights, tutorials, and updates for a wide range of products. It's divided into 3 useful tabs, each tailored to enhance your understanding and application of these tools. Punditas AI offers a dedicated Help tab, thoughtfully designed to connect you with a curated collection of help articles related to your chosen enterprise software like PTC Creo, Windchill, ThingWorx, SolidWorks, Onshape, etc. Let's take a closer look at what makes this feature so indispensable. Once you click on the Help tab, you'll discover a wealth of resources, specifically tailored to the product you're using, for example here PTC Creo Parametric. This ensures you get the most relevant information, right when you need it. Help tab in Tips and Tricks comes with 10 random help articles which allows users to expand their knowledge about the chosen software from the CAD, PLM, augmented reality, virtual reality, Internet of Things and more. Here Help tab is showing articles about the PTC Creo Parametric. Each article comes with the source link which redirects you to the original platform. Click on the link to get more information on source site. Click link on PTC Help Center. Tags are a powerful way to organize and find content. System tags in blue are predefined, while user-created tags in green allow you to add personalized categories. This feature helps you quickly locate help articles on specific topics. Punditas AI also includes a tag cloud, visually displaying all associated tags with their frequency. This provides an overview of the most relevant topics, helping you discover content efficiently. Click Tag Cloud with all the system-generated as well as user-created tags. Don't forget, you can label and organize important help articles using tags. Whether it's a product info, troubleshooting guide, or enhancement overview, tagging makes future access quick and effortless. You can use Punditas AI's Tips and Tricks module directly within PTC Creo Parametric. The Help tab in Punditas AI's Tips and Tricks provides tailored, up-to-date content, step-by-step guides, and quick solutions to streamline troubleshooting, boost productivity, and empower users to learn and resolve issues independently. Punditas AI's Help tab delivers curated, product-specific guides to resolve issues quickly, learn new features, and boost productivity, all with regular updates to keep you informed and confident. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.